Hello everyone. Trading in options was never so easy. Trading on our pre-built option strategies is as easy as a click on the button. If you're a new trader or seasoned trader, our trading platform is a perfect fit for your trading needs. So, let's begin. First, log in Bigul website and go to Marketplace section and then go to Modern Algo tab. You can also directly log in through the link given in the comment section. Log in with Bigul trading account client code and password. You have now logged in the Algo platform of Bigul. Click on the tab Products and choose the option Algo Strategy Builder. Now, on the top right corner, you will see what our AI-based trend indicator says. Based on the trend, you will see our pre-built option strategies and their probability of success. Let's select Naked Put Short. Naked Put Short is an options strategy in which the investor writes or sells put options without holding a short position in the underlying security. A naked put strategy is sometimes referred to as an uncovered put or a short put, and the seller of an uncovered put is known as a naked writer. Choose the strategy by clicking on Strategy tab. You can choose the script name from here. You can run script in Nifty or Bank Nifty as per your choice. It will show you the margin required to execute the strategy. Here you will see the order form with details of instrument type, strike price, order type, price and strike. Now choose you want it intraday or positional. Select manual order option and place order. Once the order is placed, you will be able to check the order status in Bigul, mobile app, web or trader terminal. Based on your expected profit and loss, you can exit from the open position.